hard-fought match.
Great match again. They gave us nothing, made a lot of putts. We had a lot of chances and a lot of holes we missed and they made for halves. And it was nice to turn it around at the end there. Victor's putt on 17 was massive.
Do you feel the tension when it's going down to the wire once again?
Yeah. I mean, at the beginning of the match, I knew it would be hard again today. As Soren said, we've been many times in birdie position and them in par position, and we were just missing, and they were making putts. And they made up and down on every hole today. They didn't give us any opportunity, and we had to create them. So no, I think we played well again, and I hope we will play as good tomorrow.
Well, this is akin, don't you?
Yeah, it seems that way. But you know, they're really good players, both of them, and you know, they're good on this grass, especially around the greens, and they're just incredible at getting up and down. And you know, we played solid, but didn't make enough putts, and therefore it was a very even competition.
And are you conscious of?
Yeah, it can make all the difference at the end of the day. So you know, in this format, you never gotta let the point go. Like it's even half a point is very important.
Ja, han er vild match igen. Jeg synes, Victor og jeg spiller rigtig godt, har utrolig mange chancer, holder ikke nogen putts. Victor holder en enkelt en der på 11'eren, efter de har holdet en lang en. Og så holder han den gode der på 17. Men vi spillede super godt, havde rigtig mange chancer, og de var rigtig gode til at komme op og i hele tiden. Så det var svært at vinde nogle huller, for de blev ved med at lave de pars der, og vi fik ikke rigtig holet de birdie putts der. Så vi spillede godt, og jeg er glad for, at vi fik den halve til sidst.
Just seeing what you were like with all your home team around here and everybody watching the one match?
Ja, det er en fed oplevelse. Så er det fedt at spille med Victor. Han er en rockstjerne at spille med. Han slår de vildeste golfslag og holder nogle vilde putts. Han er iskold, og han er fed at have som makker.
How important is?
Ja, men det er vigtigt, for det gør en stor forskel det der med, om man lige får den halve der, og derfor så det er klart der på 17. der så det ikke alt for godt ud, så vigtig putt for Victor der på 17. og så havde vi chancen der på 18. Men en halv, det skal vi være tilfredse med. Vi var efter hele dagen.